Hi, this is Aaron from Cirrus Logic Software. In this demo, I'm going to share a technique that I developed using JavaScript to perform copy fitting in FileMaker. First of all, let me explain what copy fitting is. Copy fitting is most easily described as automatically adjusting font sizes based on the length of a piece of text. This can be handy when creating things like business cards, labels, or in the case that I'm using here, name badges. FileMaker does not provide any out-of-the-box functionality to take care of this issue for us, but by using HTML5 canvas and some basic JavaScript, we can take care of this no problem. Let's first look at the problem that we are having trying to create name badges with names of various lengths. You can see that the shorter names look perfectly fine, but longer names split to multiple lines and just look horrible. Note that my title line has also been pushed out of the text box as well. I'm going to solve this using HTML5 and JavaScript. In my HTML code, I have a simple form with one input. This input is populated with the text that we want to measure. In my JavaScript, I'm grabbing a few pieces of information from FileMaker, including the font size, the minimum font size, maximum font size, and the font style, the width of the text box that I'm trying to fit, and a return field to populate with the new size. This recursive JavaScript function, getTextWidth, will compare our font size with the measured box size and determine the best font size within the range of our minimum and maximum sizes to fit the text within the box. By using HTML5 canvas and some basic JavaScript, we can calculate the horizontal width in points of a piece of text. We can then compare that measured value against the width of our text box and decide if we need to reduce or enlarge the font. In JavaScript, we can loop this action so that the font will reduce or enlarge until the text fits our text area. This loop action only takes a fraction of a second to calculate the proper font size and post that information back to FileMaker, which will then adjust our font size for our badge. In this demo file, I've included some more options so that this file can actually be used. Here you have the choice of font, minimum font size, maximum font size, and font style. You also have the same options for the title field. There is an import button so that you can import a list of names and titles, and a print button to allow you to print badges on a standard US letter size paper. I'm going to simply import my file, assign the data fields, and FileMaker will do the rest. Once the records are imported, FileMaker will loop through all of the records and update the font size with the calculated size. You will get a warning if the minimum or maximum size is reached, which is fine to just click OK. This is just letting you know that you have a record that meets or exceeds the thresholds. The result is properly fitted text with various lengths. In the event that you have one that failed to process correctly, You can simply choose one of the settings fields and the single badge will be reprocessed. Here you have the calculated font size returned by the JavaScript function. If for any reason you would like to manually change the size of the name or title, you can use these fields to change a single badge. You can see here that we have successfully achieved copy fitting in FileMaker. I can now click the print button to print my badges. I hope you've enjoyed this demo. Visit the blog article at cirruslogicsoftware.com to access the free download of this demo file. As always, happy coding, and we'll see you next time.